This is what we call the farm life. You dig? It's not a picture, it's a video.
Eh, 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 eh.
No way. Take a picture when I go into the hay.
I'm not taking pictures, this is video. My boy. Peacocks, turkeys, chickens, goats, sheep, lambs, all of that. Roosters. That's my little nephew over there. Just let y'all know a little something that we doing out here in Grandview. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all a closer look at the peacocks. Everybody ain't able. Yo! Oh, ow! Turkey walking by, trying to grab some camera time, you know what I'm saying? Spotlight for a few minutes. Oh boy.